really couldn't make it easy. I'm John Wood. I'm so happy that all of you have come to our voting. This ride has been around for a long time. We're redressing it and creating a new experience for all the fans of Phantom Theater. Our history with Kings Island goes way back. We're replacing one of our existing rides, Boo Blasters on Boo Hill, with this new attraction, Phantom Theater. Before that, there was Scooby-Doo's Haunted Mansion. We're so happy to be working with Kings Island and the Six Flags group again because it's in our DNA. Boo Blasters was there for 15 solid years. But in the background were all these rumblings about the old Phantom Theater and how wonderful that experience was, how memorable it was for all the people who go to Kings Island. It shows what power a dark ride has on the audience of theme parks. And we're pleased, very happy to be able to announce the ride today and introduce to you some of the folks from Six Flags. Before I go much further, I want to point out the designer on our team who worked very closely with Six Flags group, Drew Edward Hunter, Vice President for We worked directly with Kim Parks and the entire design team at Six Flags to create this marvelous show. It is my pleasure now to introduce Tony Clark, who is Regional Manager of Public Relations at Cedar Six Flags. There at Six Flags.
Hello, everybody. Hey! Yeah. Oh, come on, Tracer Floor. How are we doing today? It's a dark ride. Who doesn't love a dark ride? Yeah. Perfect. Hey, listen, it is a great honor to be up here on stage with one of my favorite manufacturers, Sally Dark Rides, and it's even a bigger pleasure for me to have the chance to work with the Kings Island team and with Sally to bring this beloved attraction back to life. Phantom Theater existed at Kings Island from 1992 to 2002, and I don't know what it was about this ride, but you ask anybody who has gone to Kings Island growing up or has experienced the park over the years, they remember this ride and they remember very specific things about it, and they are more than happy to tell you those specific things. They're also more than happy to tell all of us on our team, hey, can you guys bring this ride back? Finally, that call has been answered. And here we are introducing Phantom Theater next year at Kings Island in 2026. Now we knew guests had passion when we introduced a live stage show based on Phantom Theater, which was Phantom Theater Encore. How many of you had a chance to see that live show? How many of you recognize these folks up here? Yeah! Definitely not alive and are here to help us, the ushers from the show. So based on that show, we knew the guests loved it because they said, oh my gosh, you guys have to bring this back. Every show was packed. People were so passionate about that show. Having seen it a few times, I will say it's one of my favorite live shows ever seen. Now you can actually ride the show, ride the attraction in this new ride. We're so happy to be working with Sally Dark Rides on this. The prestigious crew, the team that they have, their attention to detail, all of the things about storytelling that matter to them, matter to us, and we couldn't be more happy to be working with them. All the updated tech inside the ride, you're going to be able to do things you haven't been able to do in that ride before. The new tech is in there, new special effects, wind, lights, projection, things like that. Your familiar characters are back from the old ride. The Maestro, No Legs Larry the Usher, Hilda Bovine, the Great Garbanzo, and many more. We also have a few new characters added to the ride, which I can't give away all the secrets today. But I will say there is a new cat, Arpeggio, or as we call him, Archie, who will be joining Maestro inside Phantom Theater. And there's also some Easter eggs for the ride. So when you ride it, you're going to have to look around you during the entire experience to see if you recognize anything from the original ride. It's no longer a static ride-through experience, which is the most exciting part of this. Guests will be able to participate in this attraction. Basically, it's a brand new theater. It's a dark and stormy night, and then there's a lightning strike, and it makes chaos. You're going to ride in enchanted opera boxes with No Legs Larry. You're going to be part of his usher team. You have to go through the Phantom Theater with, oh, by the way, another reveal you probably weren't expecting is a new interactive device amazing on Phantom Theater. It's in here somewhere. Here he is. With this.
It's a flashlight.
This is the spellbound flashlight, and you will use this to capture the ghost notes that have escaped Maestro's organ throughout the ride. So this is your new interactive device. Pretty cool. A new animatronic character, special effects, with, as I said, and most importantly, it's fun for all ages, and that's what we love about a family attraction. Something that the kids can ride, grandpa can ride, the grandkids can ride, enthusiasts like me and you can ride. It's just going to be a wonderful attraction, and we're so excited to have it at Coons Island and bring it back to all of our fans. So you probably want to see what Sally Price is going to look like. Okay, so I'll bring Lauren back up. Yep, come on up.
Are you guys ready to peek behind this velvet curtain? Well, without further ado, let's meet the Phantoms once again.
Oh my gosh!
Hello, music lovers! I am known far and wide as the Maestro, but my good friends call me the Maestro. And he is an amazing talent, a true pipe organ artiste extraordinaire. That I am indeed. My fellow performers and I invite you to experience the all-new, totally entertaining Phantom Theatre. It's been well over 20 years, but we're back! Our entire cast has returned and can't wait for the curtain to rise on opening night. It's going to be a truly memorable evening. The flashlights are all ready for our ushers to seat our audience. Oh, I hope all goes well. I'd hate for the premiere performance of my newest pipe organ masterpiece to be ruined by the ghost notes. Oh dear, that would be a disaster. It could turn our opening night into, well, a real opening nightmare.